Hi friends, let us see now the sum of the first n term in arithmetic progression. Before that, I'll quickly tell you one interesting story. A scientist, a German scientist or mathematician, astrologer and physicist was Johann Gauss. Now one day his teacher asked him, calculate the sum of all the numbers from 1 to 100. The Johann Gauss gave answer in fraction of seconds. Now you know that if I asked you to calculate the sum of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 100, it will take too much time. But how Gauss solved this problem? He solved something like this. He said it is very easy problem, sir. Why? Because in 1 to 100, if I add 1 and 100, the addition is 101. If I add second term and second last term, 2 and 99, the addition is 101. If I add 3 and 98, the addition is 101. And since I am taking two numbers, there are 50 pairs from 1 to 100 whose addition is 101. So if 50 pairs are there, I will simply multiply by 50 and 5050 is the answer. So now let us find out the sum of the n numbers in arithmetic progression. Of course we have formula for that. I am not going to take the derivation of the formula. The derivation of the formula is given in your textbook. Now we will solve the problems based on this. So first we will see what is the formula for Sn. Just remember this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Please remember this formula, by heart this formula. How do I remember this formula? Is very easy. I know that a plus n minus 1 into d is my Tn, and Tn formula is by heart for me. What I do, I write this formula of Tn first, a plus n minus 1 into d. I write this formula and I simply write 2 here and n by 2 here. So I get Sn. This is, see, if you by heart the formulas by some weird method, non-standard method, it will be very easy for you to by heart such formulas. Okay? So let us see a few examples on this. Suppose we have given the find the sum of, example it is given 7, 11, 15, suppose we have to find a sum up to 60 terms. This is in arithmetic progression and we have to find a sum of first 60 terms. How will you find out? Very easy. Just write it down. 60 is equal to 60 upon 2. What is A here? 7. And what is D? Is 4. So A is 7, D is 4. I will quickly write that 2 into A, that is 14, plus n minus 1, that is 59 into 4. Simple arithmetics. Quickly solve this. Pause your video here and find out the answer. $7,500 is the answer. Let us solve one more example. If for an AP the first term is 3, common difference is 6, they are asked A is 3, D is 6, A is 3 and D is 6 is given. Find Sn and hence find S10. Find Sn and S10. Finding out Sn is very easy. Sn is equal to n by 2. 2a is 6 plus n minus 1 into 6. So let us solve this. 6 plus 6n minus 6. 6 and 6 will get cancelled. So we have 6n square upon 2, that is 3n square. This is the formula. So we want to find out S10, which is 3 into 100, that is 300. Very simple. Once you have solved so many examples of finding out Tn and all these things, this is very easy for you. Only thing you have to pay attention to your arithmetical calculations. So just now we have seen the how to find out or how to solve the sums based on sum of the first n terms. So now we'll move to exercise 1.4. Thank you. So friends, we have learned this topic thoroughly. We have solved some examples for practice, but we are going to solve all the exercises which are given in the book along with the problem set, then the HOTS, some paper solutions, everything we are going to solve. For further solution of exercises and problem set, please purchase our DVD. You can buy our DVD online by visiting our websites. The address for the websites or the place where you can buy your DVDs are given just below this video in the description. Thank you very much.